Today we're gonna be doing a review on the Camon 30 free gift. So my dad recently got this phone and it came with this free pack. So I just wanted to do a review because why not? The contents in here are what it like. Y'all even ready. So this is opened already, as you can see. So all the contents might not really be in place and blah blah blah. But we're gonna go right away. So I'm gonna show you guys. Open it. And this is what it looks like. My goodness. Yo, check this out. Y'all see this? Like, they literally gave you a phone to make content with. Like, they gave you a phone with content tools. So first of all, the overall. The main shit here is this 360-degree phone holder. So y'all know this is a 360-degree phone holder. It comes with this little pretty remote that you use to control. My god, this shit is fun. Like, if you use it with the Camon 30, it's like swept like never before. Like, I love it. Sweep like never before. I've used it before, but yeah, this is like the highlight of the entire shit. And aside that, it also comes with this beautiful phone stand. Guys, I've been wanting a phone stand for long, and I didn't even know that God was bringing one my way, because definitely taking this one. He has refused to give me that one, so I'm taking this one. So yeah, this is the phone stand basically, and you just pop here, and yeah, you have a phone stand, and this rotates like what is. Along with that is this is for the 360 holder. You can literally just take this out, and fix this one in. You can just attach your camera and it still works. Like, you do not have to use this to hold your camera, so pretty much. And it also comes with this mighty Bluetooth, guys. When I say mighty Bluetooth, y'all know it's sound. If you listen to the sound that comes out of this little thing, my god, it's everything. And finally, the TECNO free gift. I don't know what was inside, but it's no longer here. But I'm gonna find out what was inside and I'll get back to you guys. I'm basically gonna show you how this works. This is gonna be my, should I say, second time using it. Not quite acquainted, so y'all should expect perfection. First off, we're gonna place it on a leveled ground. Turn this baby on. Mind you, I already got the remote out from here, so my Bluetooth is already on. So I'm just gonna fix the phone to the stand, and yeah, we have it. The beach went too far. And yeah, as you can see, the baby follows me everywhere I go. As y'all can see, she's pretty nice. Screaming. So yeah, that's how it works basically. Thank y'all for watching. You could go get your Camon 30. Please get it from a good store where you would be able to receive your free gifts, because everything in here is worth more than the 50k. This 360 stand, this particular one, you could go check it out. It's 30k in the market. 30, 25, 30, except you're getting some other type, but this particular one, look at it very well. Check her. We'll show you the price. And this phone stand also, you could go check the price. I'm telling you, these things are not cheap. So if you want to get your Camon 30, please make sure you get in a good store so you get this. Thanks for watching. See y'all. Bye. Mwah.